Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a street food sandwich, Indian street food sandwich, and it's a cool thing and the technique is awesome. We're gonna make it. We're gonna start off with our basic ingredients. We have honey wheat bread. We have, I cannot believe it's butter. We have extra large eggs, some scallion, tomatoes and onions we're gonna chop up. Then we're gonna come to our dry spices. We have salt, black pepper, a little bit of red chili powder. We have crushed red pepper and a little bit of chopped masala, and we have pepper jack cheese. So let's get started because it's gonna be awesome. Rough chop the scallion really quick. Potato, there's a little trick. You core it, and what this does is takes the moisture out of your dish, which you don't want any liquids, foreign liquids in there. And now you cube them. Okay, so now we're gonna take the eggs. Perfect omelet is 3-egg omelet. Crack it on the side, crack it on the side. Sometimes you miss. Alright. Okay, so now we add our condiments in. Onion, tomato, scallion. Here we get everything in. And we add the dry spices. So now we add the spices, a pinch of salt, to taste. Black pepper, to taste. A little red chili if you want to make it a little spicy, add a little zip. I like a little crushed red pepper. And a little bit of chopped masala. We mix the eggs. And we go over to the stove. Non-stick spray on the pan. After the pan's hot, you put the eggs right in the middle. So you just spread it around so it cooks evenly. And let's go prepare the bread now. We have to lightly butter so we can grill it. The back side of the bun, or the bread, sorry. So now what we do is we put the bread, actually this way, right in the middle. The coolest thing in the world. We go under and just gently flip the egg. Put a little cheese in the middle and fold the sides. It's gonna all come together very pretty. And I have a little roast beef I'm gonna grill, and we're gonna put it right on the roast beef. We put it right in the middle and the sandwich, and you close it. Look at that. Extra egg to the other side. Okay, and we flip it. Look at the perfect color on the bottom. Okay, so we flip it. Look at that color. Gorgeous. It's nicely seared. We do the same thing on the other side. Cut it in the middle. It's big. It's massive. It's a little messy, but it's awesome, and it's definitely Basant style. Okay, so now we have it rested. We cut it right down the middle. And look at that. This is Basant style. Okay guys, so we have the spicy egg omelet with grilled bread and roast beef. We have chips. We have sriracha. This is as cool as it gets. It's my favorite thing to make. It's a snack for lunch. It's a cool comfort food. But cool, the most important thing is, it is really fun to make. So I hope you guys like the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give us a huge thumbs up. You guys are awesome, and we'll see you next time.